Hello student, how are you? I am Arun sir. Welcome to my channel Tuition Expert. Today in this class I will teach you some basic trigonometry, all the formulas essential for physics which are required for physics calculation. Student, if you watch my video regularly and follow my class attentively, then I can assure you that you must crack the IIT JEE exam and NEET exam confidently with a good rank. Now let's start about the class of if you are what is the value of sine 120 degree or sine 180 degree. This value required or sine 240 degree. So this value required to calculate the physics. Now we have to know the formulas, we have to know the values of this angle which is greater than 90 degree, theta greater than 90 degree. Now there are some basic rules how to find the value of sine, cosine values of the angle greater than 90 degree. So theory is that first divide the quadrant into four parts. This is first quadrant, second, third, fourth. Now we know this quadrant is 0 to 90 degree. This quadrant is 90 to 80 degree, 180 degree. This quadrant is 180 degree to 270 degree, and this quadrant is 270 to 360 degrees. Okay, so divide 360 into 4 quadrant, 90 degree each quadrant, 90 degree for each quadrant. Now this is first quadrant. Now if the angle is at first quadrant, then all ratio becomes positive. All ratio becomes positive means suppose sine 60 degree positive, cos 60 degree positive, tan 60 degree positive. So if the angle is at first quadrant, then the all ratio will be positive. If the angle is at second quadrant, only sine theta is positive. Sine theta and its reciprocal, that is cosec theta, all positive. Suppose sine 120 degree, the value of sine 120 degree positive, but if cos 120 degree, then it will be negative. Sine 120 degree positive value, but cos 120 degree will be negative value because given sine theta cosec theta at second quadrant positive. Now in third quadrant, the only tan theta and its reciprocal cot theta is positive. Suppose sin tan 240 degree, tan 240 degree is positive, but sin 240, cos 240 all are negative because 240 lies the third quadrant, so sin negative. If tan 240, then tan 240 will be positive because tan theta cos theta positive in third quadrant. Again in fourth quadrant, only cos theta and its reciprocal sec theta is positive, that is cos 300 degree. Cos 300 degree become positive. Cos 300 lies in fourth quadrant, so cos will be positive, but sin 300 will be negative. So this is the basic this. So first quadrant all ratio positive, second quadrant sin theta and its reciprocal positive, third quadrant tan theta and cot theta positive, and fourth quadrant cos theta and sec theta positive. Now how to find these angles? Value of sine 120 degree, cos of 120 degree, tan of 120 degree, sine 240 degree, tan 240 degree, sine 300 degree, tan 360 plus 60 420 degree, 420. Suppose you have to find this value. So how way this value? How way you find this value? First you split this angle in this form, that is you have to split any angle in this form. theta equal to n into 90 plus alpha in this form, where n is integer and alpha is an acute angle. So you have to express this in this form. So 120 degree we can write 2 into, so we can write this as 2 into 90, 180 minus 60 degree, or we can write 1 into 90 plus 30. Anyway, cos, again cos, this equal to 2 into 90 minus 60 degree, and tan, this equal to again 2 into 90 minus 60 degree, this equal to sin 2 into 90 degree plus 60 degree, and this equal to also tan 2 into 90 plus 60 degree, sin, this equal to 3 into 90 270 plus 30 degree, this equal to tan, this equal to suppose this is 4 into 90 plus 360 plus 60 degree plus 60 degree plus 60 degree, suppose this is 30 degree. So these angle are acute angle, these are, so you have to first split this angle in terms of this form, in this form, that is always here a integer to multiple of 90 plus minus something, some acute angle. You have to split this angle in terms of this, in this form, n into 90 plus alpha, n is integer, alpha is an acute angle. So 120 is 2 into 90 minus 60, we can write this way. Now the theory is that if this value is even value, then the ratio remains same, so what becomes, that is sine becomes sine, and what is the value of this, sine 60 degree. Now this acute angle, put this acute angle will place here, that is in this way, cos 60 degree, because this is even, so this become tan 60 degree. Now here is a sign, here will be a sign, I will tell you later what will be the sign at here. Now sin this, so this will be even, so this is sin 60 degree. Now this is even, so this will be tan 60 degree. Now this will be the odd. Now if the value is odd, then ratio becomes change. What will be the change? Change will be its complement. What is the complement? The complement of sin theta is cos theta. Complement of sin theta becomes cos theta. Tan theta becomes cot theta, or this cot theta to tan theta, cos theta to sin theta. This is the complement. So this becomes, so if this is odd, then ratio will be its complement ratio, that is sin becomes cos of what, cos of this angle, and this also this is even, so tan remains same, tan 60 degree. Now next things, the next work is, to assign a sign, positive or negative. Now to assign the sign, to find the sign of this value, we have to consider this angle 120 degree is in second quadrant. So here sine becomes positive, so this become positive. Now cos 120 degree, cos is negative, 120 degree is in second quadrant, so cos is negative, so you give here negative. Tan 120 degree second quadrant, tan is negative. 240 degree, what is the 240 degree? 240 degree is lies with third quadrant, so third quadrant, in third quadrant tan and cot is positive, sine become negative, so this is negative value. And tan 240, tan 240 when 240 third quadrant, tan is positive, so here positive. Sine 300, 300 means 3 into 90 plus 30, 300 lies here, 3 into 90, 1 2 3, 3 into 90 plus something, that is at here only cos positive, sine becomes negative, so you have to consider this ratio, sine becomes negative, not this, not the result. You have to think first value, sine 300, 300 is at fourth quadrant, so sine of this angle will be negative, so this is negative. Tan 4 220, that is 4 into 90 plus 60, at which quadrant? Tan at which quadrant? 420 lies as 193, 4 into 90, 3 4, 4 into 90 here plus 60, that is here, so first quadrant tan is positive, so this way you assign the sign here. The rule is, what is the rule? Rule is first split, first write this angle in the form of this, n into 90 plus theta, n becomes a integer value, n into 90 plus minus alpha, alpha is an acute angle, so 120 we can write 2 into 90 plus minus 60, minus 60. Now the if this value is even multiple of 90, if this value is even multiple of 90, then ratio becomes same, that is sine becomes sine. And if the ratio become if this value is odd multiple, then ratio will be changed. What will be the change? Ratio will be changed to its complement value, sin theta becomes cos theta, or cos theta becomes sin theta, tan theta to cot theta, or cot theta to tan theta. Next, that is sin theta, sin remains same, sin of what? Sin of this value, so cos of this value, tan of this value, because two all are even. If even number of, if here even number present, then ratio becomes same, so sin is 60 degree, tan 60 degree. Now this is odd multiple, so odd multiple means the ratio will be changed to its complement, so sin will be changed to cos, tan is tan. Okay, now next, the next work is to assign a sign, positive or negative. So to assign a sign, you have to place this angle at which quadrant this angle is present. So at which quadrant angle is present, if you know, then in this quadrant cos and sec is positive, so you have to assign, you can assign the value here, plus minus. At which quadrant this angle lies, is you can assign the sign. So this is the way to find any angle, the value of any angle. So this become root 3 by 2, this become minus half, this is minus root 3, this is minus root 3 by 2, this is root 3, this is minus root 3 by 2, minus root 3 by 2, and this is root 3. So this way you can find all the ratio of the angle which is greater than 90 degree. You can find that sine of minus theta equal to minus sin theta, cos of minus theta equal to cos theta, tan of minus theta equal to minus theta. And if cosec of minus theta, obviously minus cosec theta, sec minus theta equal to sec theta, and cot of theta equal to minus cot theta. Only cos and sec only cos and sec, the angle will be absorbed. All other angle minus will be outside. Sin minus theta equal to minus sin. All this. Only sec and cosec angle will be absorbed. I can show you, but this will be longer. The basic formula: sin a plus b. Sin a plus b equal to sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. This is number 1. Sin, this formula is very important. Sin a minus b equal to sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. This is 2. Now next formula is cos a plus b equal to cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. This is 3. Cos a minus b equal to cos a minus b equal to cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. These are basic 4 formula. So from these 4 formulas we have to derive another trigonometry formula. These are the basic formula. Now if we add 1 plus 2, then what comes? Sin a plus b plus sin a minus b. This and this cancel, so this becomes 2 sin a cos b. This is number 5. And if we subtract 1 to 2, then sin a plus b minus sin a minus b becomes this minus this, 2 cos a sin b. So this is 6. And if we add 3 plus 4, then this becomes 2 cos a cos b, that is 7. And if 3 minus this 4 minus 3, if 4 minus 3 cos a minus b minus cos a plus b, which will be this minus this, which will be 2 sin a sin b. This is 8. So these also the formula of trigonometry we have to know to calculate the physics theory. To study the physics theory, we have to know all the formulas. In physics, sometimes these formulas are required, so we have to know all the formulas. This is the basic trigonometry. Now there are also another formulas. So if we add this plus this, we get this. If we subtract this, we get this. Subtract this cancel, 2 cos a sin b. And if we add this, we get this. If we subtract this, we get this. Subtract this to this, we get this cancel, this add. So these are the, suppose a plus b equal to c and a minus b equal to d. Take a plus b equal to c, a minus b. What is now if we add 2a equal to c plus d, that is a equal to half of c plus d. And if we subtract, then 2b equal to c minus d, that is b equal to half of c minus d. Now next, if we put a plus b equal to c and a minus b equal to d, a plus b equal to c, and if we put a plus b equal to c and a minus b equal to d, what comes? here if we put the a plus b equal to c and a minus b equal to d at here all this formula, then this becomes sin c plus sin d equal to 2 sin c. What is the value of c? Sorry, what is the value of a? A becomes half c plus d into cos of b. B becomes this. So if sin c plus sin d becomes this, 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2, and sin c minus sin d equal to 2 cos a c plus d by 2 into b c minus d by 2. Okay, now next this cos c plus cos d equal to 2 cos a is c plus d by 2 into cos b is c minus d by 2. And another formula, in d cos a minus b equal to d cos d minus cos c equal to 2 sin c plus d by 2 into sin b. B means c minus d by 2. Now if we have to c minus d reverse, if want to reverse this cos c minus cos d, that is cos c first then cos d, then we have to reverse this sign, 2 sin c plus d by 2 into sin d minus 2 by 2. So all is c first, so here also c first, then we have to reverse this d minus c by 2, d minus c by 2, cos c minus cos d equal to 2 sin c plus d by 2 sin d minus c by 2. You have to remember this. So this is the first, this is another formula, this is another formula, this is another formula, and this is another formula. This is the formula summation into product or product into summation. Now next, a plus b this. Now if we put a equal to b, what comes? Sin 2a equal to sin a cos a plus cos a sin a, that is 2 sin a cos a. So this is the another formula. This is the another formula, sin 2a equal to 2 sin a cos a, sin 2 equal to 2 sin a cos a. This is the another formula. Next, we know cos a plus b equal to cos a cos b minus sin a sin b, sin a sin b. Here we put a equal to b. This equation satisfy for all the angles, so we can assign a equal to b, a and b may be equal, so this will be cos 2a equal to cos a into cos a, which is cos square a, minus sin a into sin a sin square a. So this is the one important formula, cos 2a equal to this. Now in class 10 we have studied that sin square plus cos square equal to 1, sin square plus cos square equal to 1, sec square a minus tan square a equal to 1, and cos square a minus cot square a equal to 1. We have studied this. Now if we put sin square a equal to 1 minus sin square equal to 1 minus cos square a, so this become 2 cos square a minus 1. So cos 2a equal to this, the another formula, cos 2 equal to this is the another formula. Now if we put cos square equal to 1 minus sin square a, then this becomes 1 minus 2 sin square a. So cos 2a equal to 1 minus 2 sin square a, this is the another formula. Now if we reverse this, that is 1 is this side, 1 is this side, then another formula you have to remember in this form. This formula is most used in physics theory. 1 plus cos 2a equal to, in derivation of physics physics derivation, this formula most used. So you have to remember this formula. 1 plus cos 2a equal to 2 cos square a, and 1 minus cos 2a equal to 2 sin square a. You have to remember this formula in this form. So just shift here and shift here this. So shift left to right, we get this formula. Cos a plus b, we get tan a plus b. So what is the formula of tan a plus b? Tan a plus b becomes tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. And if tan a minus b, so this is the formula, tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a tan b. So first plus to plus, minus to plus, minus, and below, if this is plus, this becomes minus. If this become minus, this become plus, opposite. Now another formula in terms sin 3a. Sin 3a equal to 3 sin a minus 4 sin qa. This is another formula. Cos 3a equal to 4 cos qa minus 3 cos a. Tan 3a equal to 3 tan a minus tan qa by 1 minus 3 tan square a. So this is the formula of 3s series. Now cot a plus b, if given cot a plus b equal to cot b minus 1 by cot b plus cot a. Cot b minus 1 by cot b plus cot a. And cot a minus b equal to cot b plus 1 by cot b minus cot a. Next formula sin 2a. Next formula is sin 2a. We know sin 2a equal to 2 sin a cos a. Now sin 2a in terms of tan a will be 2 tan a by 1 plus tan square a. So this is on another important formula. Sin 2a in terms of tan a. Sin 2a in terms of tan a. This is the one formula. And cos 2a in terms of tan a. Cos 2a in terms of tan a will be this. Cos 2a in terms of tan a will be this formula. And a tan 2a in terms of a, this. So this is the another formula. Now if we are asked that we know sin 2a equal to 2 sin a cos a, then we have to, if so, you notice that here the angle is 2a, or here the angle is a. That is, this angle becomes half. In right side, this becomes half. So if this angle is a, then this becomes a by 2. This becomes a by 2. Now this, so always this angle becomes half. Now if this angle is a by 2, then this angle, right side angle, will be half of this angle. So you have to write this way. Similarly, cos a equal to 2 cos square a by 2 minus 1. So a angle will be half, or 1 minus 2 sin square a by 2, this way. So these are the sum multiple, same as to multiple. Just you remember that the angle will be half to the right side. So same as multiple angle. Now another formula is sine a plus b into sine a minus b, which is equal to sine square a minus sine square b, or which is equal to cos square b minus sine square a. This is the another formula. Sorry, sine square a minus sine square b. Now if cos a plus b into cos a minus b, then this will be cos square a minus sine square b, cos square a minus sine square b. Now what is the value of 15 degree? 15 degree equal to, we have to write 45 degree minus 30 degree. So sine 45 degree into cos 30 degree minus cos 45 degree into sine 30 degree. So this become root 3 by 2 into root 2 minus cos sine 30 degree half into root this 1 by root 2. So this become root 3 minus 1 by root 2 to root 2. So this is the sine 15 degree. We can find that cos 15 degree and tan 15 degree. We have to 45 minus 30 degree, which is equal to by this, that is 1 minus 1 by root 3 by 1 plus 1 by root 3. So this becomes, if we rationalize root 3 minus 1, so this become 3 minus 1, which is equal to 4 minus 2 root 3 by 3 2, that is 2 minus root 3. So tan 15 degree value is this. Now what is the value of sine 18 degree? Sine 18 degree is another value. We have to remember root over 5 minus 1 by 4. We have to find 1 plus sine 2 theta. 1 plus sine theta, we know 1 means sine square theta plus cos square theta. Sine 2 theta is 2 sine theta cos theta. So this is sine theta plus cos theta whole square. So this become sine theta plus cos theta. So students, this is the end of the class. I have explained all the formulas which will be required to study the derivation of physics. To get such type of video, subscribe my channel. Next